I'm going to collect my son's medicine. I need to go and pick up his medicine in the chemist. The chemist will soon be on break, so I'm quickly trying to go there. My face mask is in my ears here, so I'm walking down there right now. Yeah, I have a lot of things to do today. Yeah, so I'm trying to put my face mask on. It's very, very cold, guys. Let's hope the chemist is still open. So show you guys. Okay, still open. Hello.
Hello.
I called you earlier.
You called me earlier?
In the morning.
Good morning.
And you put me on hold.
Really?
And you forgot me on the phone.
No, it's a few customers. So
I heard you
sorry
talking.
about that.
I just want to check if my son's medication is ready.
What's your last name?
Okay guys, so I've picked the medication. I'm just going to the car. I'm going to the market. I want to go and get, there's a co-room where I'm going. I'm going to the co-room. I want to go and get fish, mackerel fish. I'm thinking of getting a box of mackerel fish, but I'm not sure just yet until I get there before I will be sure. I parked my car here just so they haven't given me ticket. Okay, thank God they haven't given me ticket. It's quite sunny and very cold. Okay, so let me get into the car, guys. I'm inside the car now. Okay, I'll catch you guys when I get to the market. I'll show you guys the market. It's not really a market today because today is Monday, so they don't have the street market. But I'll take you guys along. I'm not going to drive with you guys, but I'll take you guys what I'm doing. Okay, guys. Hey, guys. So I'm here now. I'm just going to the. Oh my God! You know, I forgot there's no cash. There's no cash point here. Oh, guys, I've forgotten. Oh my! I have to ask the shop if they accept card. I forgot there's no cash machine here. Wow. Oh Lord, I completely forgot, guys. Oh, this is nice. I like this. This one is how much? £8. I was thinking I prefer this one better. I like this one more. This one is £17. But it's nice though. They have some. Oh, there was something I wanted to get in this shop, but I forgot where it is right now. This is a call room. Let me ask them if they accept card. Do you accept card payment? You accept card payment? Okay. I want a mackerel fish. Okay. How much is the box? Okay, let me show you guys the fish and seafood. Okay. Yes, how much is it? Oh, this is prawn. This one is £11 for that prawns. And then they have the mixed seafood as well, £4. And this one is £5. This one is £12. This one is 3 for £10.
2-minute discount, guy.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Oh, okay. And then they have the fresh prawns as well here. Okay. I think this is squid. Yeah, this is squid. Yeah, they got the squid as well. They got the one they've cut into ring here. Oh, let me put my face mask on. I forgot my face mask. Yeah, guys. So I'm waiting for the fish. I'm waiting for the person to come. I want to get the mackerel. Let me look at this other fish here. Maybe they have the white catfish. The white catfish is the sea catfish. I think they have it here. This looks like it, so I might get some. And this is the other catfish. Okay, this is the other one. So they have this bag for £9. There's 3 in the bag. Oh my. Look at this fish. That fish is huge. That's a huge fish. Okay. Okay, they have the red, is it red mullet? How do they call it? And then the croaker. That's croaker. Okay. And tilapia. I was going to get tilapia, but the bone, the bone it's too much. It's too much bone. This tilapia is big as well.
Hello,
Yeah, I'm okay. You accept card, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and they also say chicken. Okay, I want to get mackerel box. Okay, so guys, this is the cool room. This one is Thomas fish. I've never heard of that before. Is it Thomas or Thompson? Thompson fish. And they got some chicken as well. Okay guys, I'm going to the Iceland. There's an Iceland somewhere here. Just walking down. I want to get cheese and ham for sandwich for my children. Let me turn the camera around. Yeah guys, I was saying I just want to quickly get cheese and ham for the kids for sandwich. They've eaten all the one I got for them. All the ones I got last week, they've ate everything up. So I'm just walking down to Iceland. See if I can get cheese, sliced cheese and ham before my packing, because I got just 1 hour to pack before my packing expires. So I'm almost close to Iceland anyway. Okay guys, let's go. There's some fresh prawns. What fish is it? Sea bass. Okay, this is sea bass. Sea bass, £4 each. This fish is very expensive, but I like the fresh prawns. That's mackerel, dry stockfish. Okay. If you guys know where I am, guess it in the comment section. If you live in the UK and you know where I am, guess it in the comment section. Okay guys, so Iceland is just here, so I'm going to go into Iceland. Oh, they have Milo here. Okay. I'm in here. I want to get this for the kids. It's waffles. £1.79. Okay. I think that's all I need. Let me, because I'm doing shopping on Thursday. So let me go to the checkout. Okay, I'm going to the cash to pay now. I'm waiting. Okay guys, I'm home now. My packing was, in fact, my packing even expired. My packing expired, guys. So I couldn't really continue the vlog from after Iceland. Because after Iceland, I think I went to another shop. But I couldn't continue because my packing, I only had like 5 minutes for my packing ticket to expire. Okay, so, but I was able to buy the mackerel fish, but I was not able to buy the box. Because the box of the mackerel fish now is now £50. Oh my God. Before, it was £30 or 30-something pounds. I think the last time I bought it, it's long ago though. I think it was £38. It's now £50, guys. It's now £50. But I bought, let me show you guys what I bought. Let me quickly show you guys what I bought. Okay, guys. So everything I bought is here. So I went to Iceland. Because the children, I don't know if I should put them on the table or put them here rather. So I went to Iceland. You know, my kids, they are fond of eating everything out so fast. I don't even know how to say it. Yeah, so I had to get some chicken. What do you call this one now? Cooked chicken. I had to get 2 for sandwich because the week only just started. Then I saw these waffles, which I believe they will like. I think they can easily put it in the toast, I think, or eat it like that. Yeah, it's waffles. And then I bought this, let me bring the other one out. Let's just bring everything out from Iceland. Plus, I have to pay for this bag. I have bag in my car, but I forgot to take the bag. Okay, so I bought some cheese. It's 2 for £3. So I bought 2. And then this one, they were doing them 13p. This 2 was the last one. The lady was just like, oh, get it, do this. They brought the box. People were just picking. She's like, oh, let 2 left. I said, okay, let me just take it. So it's 13p because it's reduced. So I got 2. And then I got this croissants. I got 2 of them. Okay. And then I saw this bathing soap there. It's a bath soap. It's £1. So that's what I got from Iceland. Just mini Iceland shopping. So that's what I got from Iceland. And then over here I got I think I should open this one out. Yeah, I think I got because I bought the white catfish, which is the sea catfish, the white catfish, and some crumbs. Okay, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, share it. I don't even know what to call this video of today. I really don't even know what to call this video of today, But this is a catfish. That's a white catfish. It's very yummy. Very, very yummy. I bought 2. It's £3 for 1. It's £3. But in Peckham, it's 2 for £5. Okay, so, but because I was already in the co-room, I didn't want to go somewhere else. I didn't want to drive. And then I got their prawns. As you can see, 3 for £10. Yeah, and then the fish is here. The micro fish, I told them to cut it. It's right there. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the mackerel fish. I asked them to cut it. I bought 2 bags. So 2 bags is £10. So I asked them to cut it into 3. I can't even believe the mackerel fish is now £50 a box. £50, guys, for a box. And this is the cooked prawns. It's 3. It's 3. And then the catfish, which I've showed you guys already. It's very nice, very delicious. Yeah, guys, that's all the little things I went to get. I also went to the wholesaler. That's where I couldn't vlog anymore because my packing was going off. I just picked up 2 fabric that somebody wanted. I'll show you guys the fabric. They'll be on my website. Let me quickly show you guys the fabrics. Okay, guys, so these are the fabric I went to pick. It's just 2 of each. Okay, yeah, I wanted to get more, but I didn't have enough time. And moreover, I'm getting some more new fabrics from Nigeria, so they will be on my website. Okay, yeah, these ones I sell them by the yard. Okay, guys, in case you want to check out my website. The link is always at the bottom, at the description section rather. I've cleaned my fridge, disinfect the top of my fridge before I put the fabric, so the fridge is very clean, the top. Okay, I've disinfected, cleaned it because of the fish before I put the fabric on top of it. Yeah, guys, so yeah, so I went to buy these 2 fabric. Okay, because they've gone off. I've sold out of them, so I decided to just pick 2. Maybe when I have more time, I will go and pick more of these, so I can have more of it in case, just in case. And I just want to try this one. This is a new one. This a particular one I wanted to get, but they didn't have it anymore, so I picked this one with the hope that the person that won that one might want this one, because I couldn't find that one anymore. Okay, this is actually red. It looks orange in the camera, but it's red. It's not orange. It's actually red. Okay, and they are 100% cotton, guys. They're 100% cotton. Yeah, guys, so just thought I would show you guys the fabric. You can check out my website, sophiasfab.com. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to be ending today's vlog here. Maybe I should say spend the day with me shopping and everything. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. Yeah, guys, my chest is a bit sore. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure I'll get better. Okay, guys, see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all watching, guys. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.